Oh my god, the internet is so clueless nowadays. Someone's saying we can see ghosts now. What's next? Can we see sound?
Well, I don't know about ghosts, but we can definitely see sound.
Hey, do you remember the Jurassic World movie which we saw recently? In which, when a T-Rex comes, it makes some dun-dun sounds, due to which the water ripples. That's an example of visualizing sound.
Exactly like that.
So do we need dinos to visualize sound now?
Neither do they exist, nor do we have the budget. But there is a simpler way for that.
It is the Chladni waves method, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that one.
Well, how does it work?
It's better shown than said.
But where would we find this equipment?
Hey, our Ignite Junior College has a new science lab. In that, we have all the equipment. See, here's the equipment.
So this is the equipment which helps us in visualizing sound. This right here is the resonating plate, and then
Wait, what is resonating plate?
A resonating plate is a flat metal plate that vibrates at certain resonance frequencies. Each frequency produces a different pattern.
But what is resonance?
well, resonance is the concept in which an object vibrates. A sound is produced in an object due to the vibration of another object of similar frequency. That is known as resonance. For example, when we push a swing at a certain point, it goes higher and higher. That's resonance.
Well, and the rest of the appliances are simple. A stand for the resonating plate, an arrow bow, and some sand for the equipment.
Why does it look like we're student from musician though?
Well, it's not. Now we take the arrow bow and strike it against the resonating plate. But first we need to have sand on the equipment first.
Pour sand on the resonating plate in such a way.
Like a dosa.
Yeah. Now we strike the arrow bow against the resonating plate in order to produce a frequency so that we can get patterns. Something like this. Oh.
Just let me. Yeah.
Wait, why is the sand gathering at a few places and not at the others?
Well, here's the science. When the resonating plate vibrates, at certain spots the amplitude of vibration is usually higher. Those are known as the antinodes. And at certain spots the amplitude of vibration is zero. Those are known as the nodes. The sand usually gathers at the nodes.
So why are these antinodes and nodes so important?
Oh, they are very crucial. They help in visualizing the vibrational modes of sound.
So basically the sand runs to the nodes, the safe place. Just like in Jurassic Park, where we run to the nodes, the safe place, and antinodes are where the dinosaurs are.
Yeah, the sand is way smarter than us.
So do these patterns have a name?
Yeah, these patterns are actually known as Chladni patterns. These patterns are formed when sand vibrates at different frequencies.
Right, the sand gathers at the spots where the amplitude of vibration is zero and forms beautifully symmetrical patterns. Each frequency produces a different pattern.
So this is how we visualize sound. It's way simpler than I thought so.
Yeah, exactly. Sound is usually invisible since it's just vibrations traveling around in the air. But when we feed sand onto this resonating plate, we can actually see sand through these arrangements. That helps us in visualizing sound.
The sand is drawing a beautiful picture for us here.
But does this experiment have any real uses or is it just an experiment?
Oh, it's really useful in basic everyday life. For example, musicians take the help of these Chladni patterns to understand better of vibrations of their instruments. This helps in better tuning of that instruments for good music.
Hey, even engineers use these vibrations to understand how strong the materials are. Believe it or not, even artists take inspirations from these Chladni patterns for their designs.
So basically science, engineering and art is packed into one sand cover plate.
Pretty much, and the best part is it makes physics come alive.
And my favorite part, no dinos were harmed.
But let's thank Ignite institutions for providing such a science lab with so many equipment.
Thank you, Ignite.